Assalamualaikum class. I am Mehak Nazir, your computer teacher. Hope you are fine. We were on chapter number 2, data devices. We are done with input and output devices, printers, types of printers, memory, binary digits. Now today we will study types of memory. How many types of memory are there and their functions and all that. There are 3 types of memory: primary memory, read-only memory, and secondary memory. Primary memory is basically a RAM. As I mentioned in my previous lecture, that RAM, it is the main memory and it is in the form of bits. इसी तरह पता चलता है कि मेमोरी की हमारी रैम से ही पता चलता है कितनी रैम है, कि बड़ी है कि छोटी है, एंड इट इज मेजर्ड इन फॉर्म ऑफ बाइट्स, मेगाबाइट्स, गीगाबाइट्स, टेराबाइट्स एंड पेटाबाइट्स, जो मैंने एंड में आपको बताया था कि 1000 बिट्स, मिलियन बिट्स एंड बिलियन बिट्स. नाउ वी विल स्टडी what is actually primary memory is. It is also called internal memory and it is also called volatile memory. Main memory, RAM mean read write memory. Now the data stored in random access The data stored in random access memory can be accessed, as the name suggests, is in any random order. Any random bits of data can be accessed just as quickly as any other bit. The most important thing to understand about RAM are that RAM memory is very fast. It can be written to as well as read. As I have said, it is read and write memory. It is called volatile memory so that all data stored in RAM memory is lost when it loses power. You can access data from RAM only the time when the computer is switched on. It is very expensive compared to all types of secondary memory in terms of cost per gigabytes. As I said कि उसकी RAM पे depend करता है उसका size क्या है. It is because of relative high cost of RAM compared to secondary memory. So data is required for imminent processing is moved to RAM. जो उसके पास RAM के पास जो डाटा RAM के पास होता है वो प्रोसेसिंग के लिए असेस हो जाता है, एंड इट इज़ मॉडिफाइड वेरी क्विकली सो दैट CPU को इंतज़ार ना करना पड़े उसको उसके अंदर स्टोर करने में. राइट नाउ व्हेन द डाटा इज नो लॉन्गर रिक्वायर्ड, इट इज ऑल्सो शंटेड आउट, मीन्स कि उसको हम रिमूव भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. टू सेकेंडरी मेमोरी हम लोगों की क्या होती है, दैट इज फ्लॉपी डिस्क, DVD, all that I will explain you this later. And the RAM space that has been freed up is filled with next chunk of data that is about to be used. कि जो हम लोग मेमोरी खाली करते हैं वो फिर हम लोगों के पास नेक्स्ट जो डाटा होता है उसके लिए स्पेस बच जाती है, तो वो डाटा हम लोग यूज के लिए सेव कर लेते हैं. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट प्राइमरी मेमोरी, विच I'll repeat it again. It is also called volatile memory. It is the main memory. It is the internal memory, right? And this is the RAM read-only memory, read and write memory. Right, this is all about primary memory. In next lecture we will study about ROM and secondary memory. Hope you understand today's lecture. Right, Allah Hafiz.